Do you want to know how to request your PSA birth certificate online? Watch this video and learn how to request this document online. Hi, welcome to Epinoid channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to request your PSA birth certificate online. To request, open your computer browser. Type in the address bar, www.google.com. Type in the Google search bar, PSA Helpline. Then select this result, psahelpline.ph. On the official website of PSA Helpline, click the Order Now button. Then select what type of document you want to request. For this video, I'm going to request my birth certificate. Select birth, then check the box beside I accept. And then click the Continue button. Just answer the question to proceed. Click the Continue button. Just answer the needed information to proceed. Then select the purpose of your request. Then input your delivery address. Next is to double-check the information you're inputted. Click the box beside I confirm and then click the Continue button. Then pay your order to proceed with your request. You may choose the payment channels shown on the screen. After paying, just wait for the delivery of your documents. Congratulations! You have successfully requested PSA documents online. For more upcoming tutorial videos, like and subscribe Epinoid Tutorial TV now.